Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. So I got about 1,000,000 irons in the fire this week, so I didn't have time to do a long video, but I thought I'd do a quick video on cleaning up this old flatter that I got out of my blacksmith shop haul video, and man, this thing has been abused, like majorly abused. So the only thing I'm worried about is how deep some of these cracks go. So we're gonna see if we can save it. Some people would say just wall hang it, but I like to breathe some new life into an old tool and put it back to use, and I definitely won't be abusing it like this one was. I'm sure this one came from an era when flatter was very replaceable. So let's get started and see how it goes. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick little video on cleaning this up. I do believe that I got all my cracks out. That's a handy little trick. When you're grinding, a lot of times you can see the color change in those cracks. You know how deep to go. But sometimes when it gets down to that fine little crack, it's really hard to see with the naked eye. So you just dunk it in your quench bucket and get some condensation in there and take a little torch and just carefully heat it up. Sometimes you can see that condensation go out. I don't know if I caught that on the camera. That kind of stuff is so hard to catch. But I think I got it all out. The face of it is actually in really nice shape because somebody wasn't beating on that end. And I chose to leave the twisted wire handle on it. I like it. Just add some character. I just tightened it up really quick. So if you guys have a handy little trick that you use for finding cracks, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. If you guys want to see my quick little progress on the sheep wagon quick, I'll just Just a little sneak peek. So I don't know if you remember from the video, and probably I may not even show it, but this leg was severely just twisted, mangled, and bent, but I got it pretty darn straight and back to normal. So got that done on the stove. I got a bunch of the top pieces all, well, that's not the top piece, but my burner's all cleaned up with some super clean. Man, that stuff is awesome stuff. So I got to do the top yet and do some more work, but I'm having trouble finding the oval stovepipe that's like a 6-inch going to a 4. It goes through a 4-inch stovepipe through the ceiling. So if anybody happens to know where you could get that, I would love to hear about it too. I just got to, if not, I'm just gonna have to modify it and fabricate one to make it work. And then I got the rotten window frame all pulled out and a new frame put in. I did do one thing that is a little more modern, and that is add some tin flashing that tucks up behind all that tin to keep the water from getting in and rotting out the window frame again. Luckily, that's all that was rotted, was about a 1/2 inch in, so I was able to save it, but not quite exactly historically accurate, but a lot better for it. So I'm going to forge a hardware piece for there. That should be pretty interesting, so stay tuned and maybe I'll do a little video on that. Remember guys, keep it simple, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Whoops, it's not on video. We messed up.